Affiliate marketing tips and tricks to increase your online revenue. There are so many tips and pieces of advice that will help you in affiliate marketing. The first step in video marketing is finding those tips and finding ways to incorporate them into your marketing plan. The following video was written to help you accomplish the first step in affiliate marketing. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, make certain that the company you are advertising has a good reputation. Doing business with a disreputable company can be detrimental to you in two ways. You may be forced to wait for large amounts of time to get your money, and your customers' trust in you will diminish. Focus on building your content, not just your links. Without a good content strategy, you won't be successful. People aren't coming to your site to find affiliate links, they are coming for your content. Whether that's reviews, previews, or you just talking about your day, that's what they came from. Keep it up to date and keep new content coming. Make sure that the affiliate program that you are signing on with has a great reputation. If you find a company that does not have a good reputation, you may find yourself working for nothing. You may work for hours to get things going well on your end, only to not be paid in the end. To gain the trust of readers you are marketing to, only promote quality products. When a reader sees you promoting products known to be good, they will find it easier to believe what you say about products they're unfamiliar with. Promoting quality products will also encourage readers to listen to your opinion in the future. Now that you have the advice and the tips that are necessary to be successful in your affiliate marketing venture, you should be ready to make the tips work for you. Anytime you go to make a move, check to see if there are tips in this video that will help you make the most out of that move. Student loan,